Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool military field telephone. It's a TA-1042, and this is Cliff's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool military telephone. Now we're going to be converting this military telephone for home use. And Cliff has an idea to use the push to talk button on the handset, and he wants to use that push to talk button as a flash button. So we're going to include that in the redesign and conversion. We also want to remove all the PC boards in this unit. They're of no use to us, and they won't be used in the conversion. We will also need to change the receiver capsule and the transmitter. We want to troubleshoot the handset cord and make sure that that is usable. We're going to be installing a modular line port so that Cliff can simply plug in any length, any color line cord he chooses, plug right into the modular port, makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. We're also going to be utilizing the volume control for the receiver that's on the front control panel. It has a minimum and a maximum volume control. We're also going to be utilizing the variable control for the ring cycle so that we can turn the ring cycle up and down or turn it off all the way. This unit also has a visual indicator light for the ring cycle, so we want to troubleshoot that, make sure we can use it, and that will be included in the conversion. Now we also know that we need to reconfigure all the traces for this keypad. We have to set the keypad up to work the way we want it to work. So all the traces will be redesigned and reconfigured. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting of this really cool TA-1042 military field telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool military field telephone, a TA-1042, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts, it's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today. If you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what went on with this unit. We found out in troubleshooting that the magnetic switch for the handset was bad inside the base unit. That switch had to be replaced. We also had to replace our ring cycle indicator. That light was bad and it was replaced. We also had to rewire and redesign our traces for our keypad. We included our volume control for our handset and the volume control for the ring cycle, and we also included the on and off that's on that volume control into the ring cycle circuit. Now we talked it over with Cliff, and we wanted to try to utilize the original piezo buzzer that they were using in this unit for the ring cycle alert. And we designed out a ring cycle alert that we agreed upon to use in this unit. But I wanted to try to do a little more, and I added a second ring cycle alert. So we installed a switch, and to the left it has the one ring cycle alert, and to the right it has the second ring cycle alert. So he can use one ring cycle alert or use the other ring cycle alert. And we'll go ahead and show you that in the final checkout. Now what we want to do is use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you're getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. Our visual indicator light is working. We want to turn our ring cycle down. We'll turn it down some more. We can totally turn it off. Our visual indicator light is still working. That's to alert you if you have the ring cycle turned off. We'll go ahead and turn it all the way up. Now we want to switch to the second ring cycle. We'll let that go a few more times. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we can use our push to talk button, and we changed that. We redesigned it to be a flash button. So we'll go ahead and hit the flash. That gave us dial tone back. Now we can hit redial. We use the top FO button for redial. The analyzer will end in a 2. We also put the flash at the F button, so we can go ahead and give you dial tone again. Or we can hang up with this flash button on the push to talk button. We're going to go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Monday, February 12th. The current time, 9:52 p.m. and the temperature, 32 degrees.
We can go ahead and hit our flash button. That will give us dial tone again. We can call my number and it'll be busy. We'll go ahead and press the flash button. Turn up and down the volume of the handset. And we'll go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool 10A 1042 military field telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Cliff and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.